Well, Ian, a comfortable win for you today in the end means you're still top going into phase 2. You must be happy with results and performance.
Yeah, really happy. I thought it was a very dominant performance. I think we dominated every phase of the game, and it's really pleasing to see that we can do that. We can be consistent over 95 plus minutes and really limit them to not having a chance. And I thought some of our build-up play was really good. It was exceptional at times throughout the game, and the patience as well. You know, to avoid. We didn't want to play a transition game today. We wanted to control everything. I think we did that from the start, and the result speaks for itself.
I thought it was a very difficult game. They were hard to break down, but I felt like we controlled it really well, and eventually we got the result that we wanted.
Rhys, ddim y canlyniad fyddwch chi wedi ddymuno yma prawn ma, ond sut ydych chi'n teimlo ar ôl hynna?
Ie, mae'n tîm arbennig o dda. O'n i'n teimlo fel bod y merched i cymryd ymlaen plan o'n i gyda. Gweithio nhw'n galed, heb ddod pêl. Mae'n rhaid i chi ni'n erbyn tîm fel dda. Ond ie, just adeg yn y gêm, o'n i'n just wedi gadael y gêm yn wrtho ni, a mae'r tîm am i cosbi chi straight away.
You're now 18 games unbeaten, if I'm correct. What kind of message does that give to the teams facing you in phase 2?
We want to make it 28, so we want to win every single game, and we're going to do everything we can to make sure we do it.